This is how we treat ankle strains sometime in the office.
Okay.
Okay. So all you're gonna do is kind of relax. What we're gonna do is work on the Sharpie fibers that attach the ATFL ligament to the bone. So that's what you strained. So you'll notice that. Let me just get some oil. No. A little bit. Okay. So just gonna go right. Let me know if it's too much.
I got you.
One more. This one.
That actually feels good because the heel hurts too.
Yeah. Well, that your ankle's all stuck because of the injury,
Yeah.
so you're not moving like it needs to. Okay. One last one, so we'll keep that like nice and relaxed.